Hello all, it is the Norwegian nature pals, and we are back with another video. This might be their first time. If it is, smash that subscribe button. Link is in my bio down below, and we do science videos in Gnarly. Thank you. Currently we are in the Jotunheimen mountain range. It is in South Norway, and very good snow, as you can see. Nice little groomers for everyone. Okay, and today we are here to talk about biology and the science of the water cycle. So many of you may have heard this in, like, elementary days, you know what I'm saying, but the more advanced kind of thing, you get really the full picture. I'm not going to go that deep into like carbon compounds and things like that for the water cycle, but what is going on with the water cycle right now is, as you can see, this melted snow, all this water is melted, most likely because it's southwest and the sun is over there. But in the trees there's powder, and other places there's powder, so it's a mix, a variety of snows, and you see this because in the water cycle, when there is water on the ground or there's snow on the ground, it melts and evaporates into the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, that water becomes vapor, and then it goes, and with certain pressure and certain temperatures, it can turn into snow, hail, rain, etc. Snowflakes, things like that. It can turn into those things. But in this case, we haven't got snow in a little while, which I think for snow is what you got. And as we can see here, it evaporated, it melted, and then evaporated into the vapor. Hopefully, when it's called a water cycle, so it all cycles over again. So hopefully, up there in the sky, the snow is going to accumulate and fall soon here. Especially when the temperature is colder, the rain or hail becomes snow. This nice fluffy stuff that we love. And there's more parts to the water cycle, as of course the simple parts are it's ground, it gets evaporated, in the air, falls down. Simple. There's other parts though. There's like a whole synchronized organization. So it falls from if we start from the sky, it falls from the sky, it goes highest to lowest. It falls from the sky, whether it's snow, hail, or rain, or something like that. It's on the surface, runs down because of snow melt in the spring, or just freezes in general. That area, that water will get evaporated, or the majority of the water travels to the ocean, and the top layer of that sometimes gets evaporated. It all is a cycle. When it goes out into dispersed areas, it goes into the air. But when it goes straight direct flows, which all streams lead to an eventual ocean, it leads to those, and it's just a continuous water cycle, and it's great. And we're going to keep skiing, but I'll catch you soon. Go! Couple jumps here and there, nothing too special. Anyway, as I would like to continue the science lesson, because that's what Norwegian nature pals do, So here we have this beautiful alpine tree. We are in an alpine region, as you can see. There's some aspens dispersed in various areas, some spruces, but commonly alpine. This one has grown particularly large. Been here for a while now, I don't know how long. Probably around 30 years, 40 years. But if you look around, there's many sun is facing this way, and that's why we're going to talk about photosynthesis. You wonder, how does this tree grow, get its food and its nutrients to grow so big and provide shade, coverage, and oxygen? So what happens is the three inputs for the photosynthesis that the tree uses, or other plants, not humans though, photosynthesis only plants. It takes in sun, water, and carbon dioxide. The water falls here as the water cycle, goes into the tree, and then the sunlight, the pine needles in this case absorb it, and the carbon dioxide, just the bark and the various little openings in the tree absorb it, and that's just in the environment of photosynthesis, and it is light dependent. Hence the name, it has the sunlight to absorb and give it to make its nutrients, and it gives outputs also. As it grows, it gives outputs to the atmosphere and the world and the air. Those are glucose and oxygen. It gives the oxygen so we can all breathe wonderful oxygen. Plants are responsible for around 80% of the oxygen we breathe today, and it gives glucose out into the atmosphere, and that is transported to the sugar. And that is photosynthesis as a sum up, but in compare and contrast, cellular respiration, that is both humans and plants and animals, all living organisms really do it. And what it is essentially is we recuperate ourselves to a certain extent by using the same properties